Ready? Okay.
Good morning, fourth grade. How are you doing today? Today, you're going to learn about a very important topic, global warming. This is an exciting topic because this is affecting all of us. So after this presentation, you are going to be able to explain how climate change affects hurricanes, animal population, human health, and sea levels. The standard that we're going to use is standard 4, understand how human affection modify physical environments. So first, what I want you to do is to watch this video.
Hey, it sure is warm for January. Dear Tim and Moby, what does global warming mean? From Walter. Well, global warming means that the Earth is heating up. In the last 100 years, the surface temperature of our planet has risen about 3/4 of a degree Celsius, or a little more than 1 degree Fahrenheit. Most scientists believe it's going to get even warmer in the years to come. What's making temperatures rise? Well, there are probably many factors involved, but most scientists agree that the biggest contributor to global warming is the increase in greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. These gases trap in heat and cause a natural heating up called the greenhouse effect. Inside my mom's greenhouse, the sun's radiation comes in through the glass and heats up the air inside. But that air doesn't go anywhere, so it becomes warm and humid, which is good news for the plants. On Earth, a similar thing happens. The sun's radiation travels through our atmosphere, heating up the Earth's surface. Excess greenhouse gases in our atmosphere trap that heat in. So the Earth eventually becomes hotter, just like the inside of my mom's greenhouse. So what's the big deal if it gets a little warmer? Yeah, well, warm winters can be nice, but increased temperatures can cause problems for the environment. Coral reefs die due to warmer water temperatures, and fish have to go elsewhere for food. Earth's polar ice caps hold a lot of water. A difference of a few degrees in temperature can melt this ice, causing the sea levels to rise, which could flood coastlines, affecting the habitats of plants and animals and people. Who knows what will happen to all the animals and people who have to adapt to new temperatures and wetter environments? Well, there are things that we can do to stop the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the air. Burning fossil fuels generates carbon dioxide, so the more you walk or bike instead of driving, the cleaner the air will be. And the less electricity you use, the better. Trees and green plants take in carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. So, planting trees and clearing fewer forests is a good way to start. Boy, this weather sure is freaky. I didn't mean you should plant trees in the yard. Well, I guess his heart's in the right place.
Sample of sun of greenhouse effect. The sun energy passes through the car windshield. This energy heat is trapped inside the car and cannot pass back through the windshield, causing the inside of the car to be warm up. What is the difference between global warming and climate change? Global warming is the increase of the Earth's average surface temperature due to a build-up of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Climate change is the broader terms that refer to long-term changes in the climates, including average temperature and precipitation. Effect of global warming: raised sea level, increased temperature, habitat damage and species effect, change in water supply. What is the proof that global warming is taking place? Portage Glacier, Alaska, 1914. Glacier, 2004. As you can see, there was a lot of ice and now the ice is melting. Colorado River, Arizona, June 2004, Colorado River, December 2003. It looks like the river is disappearing. Why is global warming happening? Burning of fossil fuel, pollution from coal, natural gas, and oil. Global warming shifting gears. Produce electricity efficiency, produce vehicle efficiency, solar and wind power. What is being done now to reduce our emission? The government now is giving incentive to produce more wind power, solar power, fuel efficiency. What can you do to help solve the problem? There are many things that we can do to solve global warming problems. Simple thing to do. Turn off your computer or TV when you are not using it. Take shorter shower, heating water use energy. Keep room cool by closing the blinds, shades, or curtains. Turn off the light when you leave the room. Use compact fluorescent bulbs. But you might ask, what is the difference? There's a lot of difference. 500 pounds of coal is consumed, and you saved 1,430 pounds of coal, pollution avoided, and you saved $30. Simple thing to do. Dress lightly when it's hot instead of turning up the AC. Dress warmly when it's cold instead of turning the heat. Offer to help your parents keep the air filter on your AC clean. Walk short distance instead of asking for a ride in the car. Plant trees. Recycle. So what I want you to do now is to divide in group. Tier 1, you will create a poster about how we can prevent global warming. Tier 2, you will create a brochure advertising how we can save the planet. If you have any question, I'm going to be around to help you out. Thank you so much.